Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving straight into how to create approval workflows in ClickUp, your complete guide for 2025. Let's get started. First things first, log into your ClickUp account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create and absolutely free. The reason we do this is to access the features and settings that help us create the workflow. Next up, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Spaces. A space in ClickUp is essentially where most of your work will reside, so it's important to select the appropriate one. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new folder. Click on the New button located at the top right corner of your space and select Folder. Name it something relevant to the workflow you're creating. This helps us because it keeps our workflow organized and easy to locate. Once you've named your folder, click on the Workflow tab under the Settings on the right side of your screen. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Add Status, let's say for approval. Then click on Add Status again and name it Approved. This is important because it establishes the key stages in your approval process, making it clear and easy to track. With the statuses set, it's time to add the team members involved in the approval process. Click on the Team tab on the right side of your screen and simply type in the names or emails of the people you want to add. The reason we do this is to allow those involved in the approval process to receive notifications and updates. Now that we've done that, let's adjust our notification settings. Go to Notifications in the Settings and click on Customize. Here, you can specify which actions trigger notifications and who receives them. This helps us because it ensures the right people are alerted at the right time, streamlining the approval workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully created an approval workflow in ClickUp. Remember, this is a customizable process, so feel free to adjust as needed for your specific project or team. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on effectively using ClickUp. And as always, keep clicking up.